Hello and happy new week. Today I'm going to show you how to balance equations. Now I want you to think of the word balance. Balance means that both sides are the same amount. For example, when I put 2 equals 1 plus 1, this equation is balanced because on this side of the equal sign, the amount is 2, yes? So that's 2. And on this side of the equation sign, the equal sign, 1 plus 1 is also 2. And 2 equals 2. 2 equals 2. They're both the same, so that means that it's balanced. All right? So now I'm going to show you how to balance an equation when there's a missing amount. Look at this example. Two plus 3 equals 1 plus blank. Now, looking at this equation, I'm looking for the part that I already know, or the part that I can already figure out. I already know that 2 plus 3 is 5, and I can figure this out because there's no blank here. 2 plus 3 equals 5. Notice how I draw my arrow to show that I combined the 2 and the 3 to make 5. So that is this part of the equal sign. Now I'm going to go over to the other side. This says 1 plus blank. Now, do I know what goes in this box? No, but I can figure it out. I know that this side is 5, and I know that this equal sign means that this side also must be equal to 5. So I'm going to put an arrow to show that 1 plus blank is also equal to 5. Okay? Now I think, 1 plus what number is equal to 5? Oh, I know, 1 plus 4 is equal to 5. And if I don't already know that, I could figure it out at the bottom here. I can go 1. I can start with 1 and count up until I get to 5. So I go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I started at 1 and I stopped at 5. How many did I have to draw to get to 5? I had to draw 1, 2, 3, 4. And so that's how I know that 1 plus 4 more will give me 5. And that's what goes there. Now let's try with an even bigger amount. Okay? What if this were my equation? Could you pause the video and figure that out on your own? Okay. Now this is what it would look like. I'm going to go to the side that I can solve, the side without the box. This side doesn't have an empty box, so I know I can solve it. 17, 18, 19, 20. 17 plus 3 more gives me 20. So if this side is equal to 20, guess what? This equal sign means that this side must be the same amount. So I know that this side is also equal to 20. Now, I have 10. 10 plus what number equals 20? Oh, I know. 10 plus 10 equals 20. That's a math fact that I already know. And so 10 goes in the box. All right? Now let's try with a different number. This one you're going to do on your own. Make your own video and share it with your teacher. Now, I won't do this one for you, but here's what I want you to think about. Which side can you figure out on your own? Is it the side with the box or the side without the box? Next thing I want you to think about, what does this equal sign mean? And lastly, what strategy you're going to use to figure out what goes in the box? Can you use your fingers? Can you draw circles? Do you already know in your head? Now, I'm looking forward to see your videos coming to my inbox later on today. Thank you so much for watching.